Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a recipe for Brussels sprouts breakfast hash. It's a mouthful. Brussels sprouts are in season at the moment and I got a giant bag for 49 cents, so I couldn't resist getting into it and cooking up a couple of different recipes, starting with the Brussels sprouts breakfast hash. And I've got some ideas for other recipes that I want to experiment with in the future. I've thought about making soup, salad, maybe even a Brussels sprout mash. Let me know which recipe you'd like me to create next with Brussels sprouts. Leave a comment, let me know, and I will get to it. But let's go and make my Brussels sprouts breakfast hash. Okay, I've got my bag of Brussels sprouts over here, fresh Irish Brussels sprouts, and I'm going to use mushroom as well. I'm just going to chop them all up and get them cooking. I've washed and chopped my Brussels sprouts in half. I've also sliced up mushrooms. Got a nice plate full of veggies here, and also gonna cook a bit of onion and garlic for extra flavor. So I'm gonna heat up some butter in the frying pan, start cooking my garlic and my onion, and then we'll add these when it's all ready. Okay, I've got very roughly chopped garlic and onion sauteing away in heaps of butter, and once it's a little further along, we're going to add in the chopped mushrooms and Brussels sprouts. Vegetables are in, and just add salt, pepper to taste, keep adding butter, or you could do coconut oil or olive oil, whatever oil you like. And we're going to just cook it until everything's reduced down and pretty much almost cooked, and then we'll add in some eggs. And the vegetables are almost cooked. I would say if you want to help it along, you could stick a lid on it, even add a bit of water so that it kind of almost steams as well from all sides. But cook them until your mushrooms are reduced down. You can see, I had to zoom in from far because it's so steamy, but you can see the mushrooms have really reduced down, and all of the beautiful Brussels sprouts have started to get a bit of colour to them. And so in about a minute or so, we're just going to make some spaces and crack in some eggs. Here we go. I've made some little spaces. I've popped more butter in so it's nice and buttery, and I'm just going to crack eggs into the little holes I've made in my hash. I've broken the eggs in. It's starting to look pretty beautiful. My husband likes 3 eggs, so that'll be his half. And this is mine with the 2 eggs over there. And I'm just going to cook them until all the eggs are completely cooked to our liking. And then our breakfast hash will be ready. So there you go. That is my completed Brussels sprout and mushroom breakfast hash. It's hot and steamy. It's such a yum way to enjoy Brussels sprouts. So that is how to make this easy Brussels sprout breakfast hash. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment too. Let me know if you give this recipe a try. And as always, I've written a full blog post which I will leave down below so that you can pin, bookmark, save for whenever you want to make this easy Brussels sprout breakfast hash. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!